Hi there guys, so we're back at Cattle Farm again tonight, but we're using the AGT in 22 FAC and we've got the mighty Alpex back on. Let's see how we get on. Here we go then guys, into the first one with an headshot.
Hiya guys, so tonight I'm just going to run you through a bit of my product that I use. So on the top I'm using a HIK Alpex for my night vision, as quite a few of you asking me what I'm using. I'm using the standard IR that comes with it, and then underneath it I'm using AGT Airgun 2. It's a 36 foot-pound running Hades pellets. This is from Edgar Brothers. It's a great product. I'm running it on a 300 bar charge and I'm getting about 120, 130 shots off this. So let's get into action and see what happens.
Oh, we weren't happy at that. You see that one at far end, did?
Accuracy of this gun is unbelievable. This is sort of thing you need when you're out on these jobs. So as you can see, we're using the Hades tonight on the AGT Airgun 2. It's got a 530cc bottle running at 300 bar, so plenty of shots. Just thought I'd come up for a quick hour tonight and zero up rifle. As you can see, some of these rats are really taking the feed well. There's some big rats up here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more footage on this package that I've got here in the daytime, just to show the accuracy and the clarity of the HIK.